guys, welcome to another video on Cal's Dream Adventure. Today we're going to be playing with these fidget toy puppets. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe, click the like button, and the bell button so you know a new video that we post every single mystery week. Okay guys, this is going to be the first one, a tie-dye puppet. It's a puppet that is a keychain too. Let's hear it. Let's do it again. Well, this is a cool and a keychain puppet. You can play at school when you're allowed to, if you are. So guys, I'll give this a 5 stars. The next one is an Among Us. It's an Among Us camouflage puppet fidget toy. Let's hear it. Let's hear that one again. Not very loud. That's all the fidget toys for today. You guys have a great day and bye.